You come to the preview. I'm on a student screen, logged in as a student. I confirm the preview's purpose, entering as a student to see if my actions show up. Did it activate? I created a test to show up tomorrow, so it should be hidden today. But today, it was available, indicating an error. Students might access it. This preview is crucial. It shows your actions. Does your setup appear as intended? Check for errors or adjustments needed. I'll show the link now. It's visible. Did it activate or not? This test should show for students tomorrow. It should be hidden today. However, it was available today. This means students might access it. Student preview is crucial. It shows your actions. Does it appear as intended? Check for errors or adjustments. I'll say no, show the link, make it visible, and preview again. This link should show in student preview. It must be visible. If not, there's a problem. I'll end preview, check, and fix issues. Regarding this, Dr. Ahmed Abdel Maksud, Ahmed Abdel, this student preview is very important. It helps you see what you did, the action you took. Does it appear as intended? Check for errors or adjustments. I'll say no, show the link, made it visible, now preview again. This link should show up in preview. It must be visible. If not, there's a problem. I'll end preview, check and fix issues. Dr. Ahmed, what if a column disappears from the grade center? This is a big problem. Deleting a column like name or first name. We need to address this. And I'll go back and do the preview again. What does show mean? It means that this link will appear to the students when I do the student preview. So it must be visible to the students. Or it should be there and shown. But if it's not showing, then there's a problem. I need to go back to my page as a teacher, end the preview, and check my page to see what the issue was and start fixing it. Now, regarding this part, Dr. Ahmed Abdel Maksud, what do I do when a column disappears from the grade center? This is actually the biggest problem we face. Deleting a column from the grade center, like the name column or the first name column, this question is very important. What do I do when a column disappears from the complete grade center? This is indeed actually the biggest problem we face. Deleting a column from the complete grade center, which is, in fact, actually such as, for instance, a column like the name column or the first name column. This question is very important. Let's go back to the grade center. As you can clearly see, the grade center, if you delete, for example, a final exam and remove all attempts from all users in the system, you usually won't be able to recover that data or that specific column again in the future, which is crucial and very significant in the grade center, to the point that if we wanted to reach out to the company to retrieve that data, but it's also very difficult, almost possible to obtain. The only solution is for you to contact us at the e-learning agency, and we will check with the system administrator to see if we can actually recover it or not. But most of the time, we can't recover it. Therefore, I advise you with a tip. What is the issue? As long as we are in the grade center, when you work with the grade center, there's something called offline work. Offline work. Do you see this part, folks? This option here. It gives you two things, upload and download. Uploading and downloading. Right now, uploading is not important for us. The most important thing is the download part. What does that mean? It means you're pulling a copy of the entire grade center. Keep in mind that you're getting the complete grade center, including student names, their university IDs, and all the columns, exactly like this table. You can easily pull this exact table with all its data onto your own personal device and securely save it as an Excel file. Everything is very important. For example, when you did a semester exam, you might, after the semester exam, and after you requested the semester exam to be over, come and say, what, are you withdrawing a copy? I mean, don't we withdraw a copy every day? I mean, it's not logical to pull a copy every day, but after a midterm exam, or after a practical exam, or after an oral exam, or a final exam, that's when we do it. So, after these important tests, we can work offline. First, we go to the full grading center, so you all know the complete grading center, and then we go to the offline work section and say download. We say download. What's going to happen is that it will open up for us like this. All the options you see are what we do. This means that we will not miss or change the existing options so that you all don't have to struggle with it. So here, the options are asking me they're asking if you want the data that needs to be downloaded here. Do you need the full assessment center? Do you want to pull the full assessment center data? Yes. I want to pull the entire grading center. Okay. And then it says here, do you want to pull it and keep it on your computer? Yes. That's not a problem. I can take it once on my laptop, and I can also do it once in the content file center. It's normal. So why do we have the content file center here? What's the point? Because the content file center is, for you all, we just refer to it as your computer, meaning your laptop. So we can do it once like this and once like that. It's normal. So why do we have the content file center here? What does it mean? Because the content file center is basically your computer, meaning your laptop. Okay, so we can do it once like this and once like that in the content file center. Before, there was no content file center in the options. It was only in the computer. Now with the conversations that have been made, they have added a content file center as well. So why is that? When I pull a copy here and say the content file center, where will it save it for me? Each course has the content file center. The purpose of this center is that all the files you've added within the course, I'm not talking about links, I'm talking about files. If you added a Word file, a PDF file, an Excel file, all the files you've placed in the course content will be available in the content file center. Here's the name of the course. It appears under content file center. It's your current course. So when you click on it, it will show you all files, whether they are PDF files, image files, audio files, video files. In the course content, if you've added files like Word, PDF, or Excel, they will be available in the content file center. The first name under content file center is the current course. Clicking it shows all files, PDFs, images, audio, videos, etc. When you say do this for me in the content file center and click send, it moves the Excel file from the grading center to the content file center. However, there's an error saving the file, a new issue with this recently added option. The first name under content file center is your current course. Clicking it shows all files, documents, images, audio, videos, etc. If you say do this for me in the content file center and click send, it moves the Excel file from the grading center to the content file center. There's an error saving the file. If there's an error, go to offline work, download, click send, confirm the download message. So when you come here and say, do this for me in the content file center, send, the Excel file that it pulls from the grading center goes in the content file center, but it's giving me an error while saving the file. This is the first time I'm experiencing this as a new option they just added. So go to the offline work section and download on your computer. When we say send, it will start to confirm another message for downloading. So we will indeed download the file to your device. Just say yes to download. It will download the file into a folder called downloads. It's called downloads. The file will be saved there, and it will be saved with the date and time, like today, May 15th, 2024 at 4:31:47 p.m. Well, the best thing to do if there's an error is to go to the offline work section and tell it to download and save it on your computer. When we say send, it will start to confirm another message for downloading. So we will indeed download the file to your device. Just say yes to download. So what's going to happen? It will download for you in a folder called downloads. Do you see this? This folder is called downloads. The file will be saved there. And how will the file be saved? With the date and time, meaning today is 15.05/2024 at 4:31:47 p.m. So it also tells you that this is the grading center for that date and time, and it has GC written at the beginning, which stands for grading center, along with the name of the course. It also says that this is the complete grading center, and now you have the file. If I open the file, you will see it with me as an Excel file. 24 hours, 31 minutes, 47 seconds remains. It tells you that this is the grading center for that date and time, and it has GC written at the beginning, which stands for grading center, along with the name of the course. It also says that this is the complete grading center, and now you have the file. If I open the file, you will see it with me as an Excel file.